Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today we're going to be doing a plan with me in my catch-all planner from the 18th to the 24th. So let's grab these off the discs and move this out of the way. And I'm sorry if I sound a bit croaky. I've got a bit of a cold and I just wanted to get a few videos filmed so I'm not so behind. So I do apologise now for the croaky voice. For this week, I am going to be using the Colorful Leopard book from the Happy Planner. This one is a fairly old book. I'm not quite sure when it came out, but I've used it a little bit. Haven't used quite a lot, but I do actually love the leopard print and everything in here, so that's why I'm going to use it in this spread. Now, first of all, long box for the side because that's what I like to do, and I like to pop my daily to-dos down there. So we have these ones, which I could write a to-do in each box. I don't think there's any others in here. No, let's use one of those, and let's use the, not the wood use one, but let's use the colourful one. Seems it's Colorful Leopard. Okay, try to get this reasonably straight. Oh, that's not too bad. Okay. Alright, so my drink's in the way. I've got my drink over there just in case I need to have a drink for my throat. But anyway. Okay, so I do have an appointment on the Wednesday and one on the Friday. So definitely boxes on there. The rest I don't, so boxes on each of the other days and decorations all round. So let us have a start here, and I might grab my baking paper. It is underneath everything, as usual. And I will pop some things on here that I would like to use. So let's have a quick look through here. I like that one. Oh, I'm in a bad habit of doing that lately, of ripping stickers, trying to get them out of the books. I've been a bit rough with them, but I like that one, so I'm going to use that one. I like this one, and I like this one, and I like this beautiful weekend, and focus on what really matters. I like that too. What else have we got? Sometimes flipping through like this is a better way for me. I like these colourful leopard spots, so I think I might pop them on a couple of pages. So I've got these. I'll just move those over the way, and let's get started with some of these. I'm going to grab my little picker. We might pop some of these around on the page. Let's have one here. And we can do one up on the Wednesday. And let's do one there, just to be different. Just for a different take on things. Oops. And then I'm going to pop one down here. Yeah, probably one there, and then I can put the beautiful weekend underneath it. Let's go with this. No, let's go with this one. And then I can pop a beautiful weekend on top of it, I meant to say. like so. There are more little ones there that I could pop around the place if I need to, but I'm kind of liking that. Okay, so boxes for my meeting, and there's meeting ones there, and to-dos. Okay, so we might grab this pink meeting one. Now I have a meeting on Wednesday afternoon. Yes, but we also have our normal meeting at work on that day, so I'm going to put that one there, and then I might grab that plus one of these little ones. Oops, not that page, because they're not the clear ones. These are the clear ones. Okay. And pop that down there with the meeting, like so. So I've got 2 meetings that I have there. And then Friday is my nails at 11 o'clock. So that's okay. We can use a different one for that. Because it's not a meeting. It's an appointment. We might use one of these. It's on the Friday, and we're going to pop that there like that. Okay, so that's mainly what I have on next week that I know about. So there might be other things that I don't know about. So we'll tackle that when it comes. But I'm just going to pop this one here. Actually, I should have layered that with one of these. And let's go with this one here. And then I'm going to layer that like that. I can pop something else in there, but that all matches. So I kind of like that. I'm going to see if I can grab this one up, which is sometimes fairly hard to do, but some of these new sticker books, as you can see, come up really good, really easy. So some of the older ones, not so much, and you're forever trying to fight with it to come up. But we can then go over that bit that oops, not quite what I wanted. Might have to get my undo because I don't think, oh yeah, it'll come off. Nice. Let's see if hopefully I don't rip this one up too much more. The sound made all the difference in getting that one up. All right, let us pop. Actually, I'm going to pop this one here. No, I'm going to pop this one. Oh, now Milo's back in the room. Pop this one here. Stick that one down. Gee words. Oops, try and get that. Okay. I never make things easy on myself, do I? Let's hope I can get that fairly well, but that's okay because I'm going to pop that there like that, and then that will cover up that bit. Yay. Okay, what else do we have in here? Let's have a look. Let's go back. I don't really want any more of the square boxes. I wonder if I pop in those. I can write in there if I want. Dude, enough please. Come back to that. I think maybe what I might do. Sorry, I know this is all over the shop. I'm a bit all over the shop today myself, so I'm going to put that there in that space because I just want to fill up that space there. Let's go for I really should look through these books before I start doing stuff, because that way I would have an idea of what I wanted to do. Okay, let us then. Alright, I would like in there boxes for, and I think I might use these ones for my work times. So I'm going to pop that one up here. Oh, they're a little bit bigger than, that's strange, they're a little bit bigger than the actual box. That's okay. Let's actually line it up a bit with this one. So that's that day for my work, and then I will pop that one there for the Tuesday. The Wednesday can go here. The Thursday can go here. And the Friday can go, actually you can go like that down there. Okay. Nice. What I might do is go back to my little things, my little leopard spots, and pop one there. Pop this little one here. And I think that's all. Could put one down there like that. I kind of like that. Okay, let's just pop a couple more boxes on the page for writing in, because I do like writing in my boxes. Sorry. I might pop this wild ideas. I like that, and I might pop that there like so. And then over this page, we might take the today. I'll pop the today like that there. And then the one that doesn't say anything can go there like so. But sorry, I am going to then go back. Might have to cut these to fit in my plan here. Let's get the scissors out and do some sticker surgery. Don't be afraid to cut your stickers into what you want them to be. As you can see, beautiful. All right, and that still gives me, I'm going to put something there, so let's take this one off. Cut this out. I will probably do extra in it during the week, pop in extra stickers and stuff like that. So I'm not really yeah, I'm fine with the other bits and pieces that are around. This is just really the basis of what I want for the week, and I will stick other stuff in if I need to. So I'm happy with that. If you've enjoyed this video, can you please give it a thumbs up? Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for hanging out with me.